If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Adobe Portfolio, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. This guide will walk you through each step. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Adobe Portfolio website and log in using your Adobe ID and password. Make sure you are using the correct credentials associated with your account. Step 2. Navigate to the Transfer section. Once logged in, locate the Transfers or Pending Transfers section on your dashboard. This area typically lists all your active and pending transfers. Step 3. Select the pending transfer. Find a specific transfer you wish to cancel. Click on it to view more details about the transfer, including its status and any associated options. Step 4. Click on Cancel Transfer. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SOC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you are sure you want to cancel the transfer. Confirm your decision to finalize the cancellation. You should receive a notification indicating that the transfer has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel any pending transfers on Adobe Portfolio. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Adobe support for help.